Time for me to get out of here. Oh, shit. Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good afternoon from Vrindavan. I'm currently at Govind Dev Temple, which is one of the oldest temples here in Vrindavan. It was built in 1590, so it's over 400 years old. And it's got some really interesting architecture. There's a lot of monkeys inside, and bats, and parrots, and dogs, as you can see. So it's a pretty interesting place. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour, so I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second, and it helps me out a lot. Thank you. So I've put my phone in my bag as well as my headphones. I don't have any food on me. Took my scarf off, my sunglasses. This is a very monkey dense area, and these monkeys are little thieves. Sorry, no offense. Oh, I got a big one following me. Oh, these monkeys are getting defensive. These guys were antagonizing this monkey, and now it's kind of following them. Oh, that one's got some glasses in its mouth. Time for me to get out of here. Oh, shit. Very territorial monkeys. There was this big monkey in there, and he was being very territorial. Could have been a mom protecting her babies, because there was some baby monkeys. And those kids were messing with it, and then it came after them, which serves them right, although I was kind of locked in there with them. So not all monkeys are aggressive, but this is a really touristy area. These ones are pretty smart. They've learned how to trade, although actually I haven't seen them trade in this area, but usually I've seen in Thailand, I've seen the monkeys steal something from somebody, something valuable, sunglasses or whatever, and then they'll trade them back with food. Oh my gosh, look at the puppies. Look at the puppies. I don't have any food for you, I'm sorry. Can I pet your puppies? Can I pet your puppies? Hi? Hi, oh my gosh. Hello, hello, oh. Hi, hi, hi. Hello. Oh, goodbye. One pet? No, too shy? Come on. Come on, your mom's over here. Hey, go over here. Oh, go over there. Your mom's over there. This is the only sign on the temple I could see. Yoga Peeth, appearing place of Lord Govindev. He's looking to see what he can steal. That's not fair though, I shouldn't assume they're all thieves. The fruit vendors here in Vrindavan, they use slingshots to threaten the monkeys. I haven't actually seen them shoot the monkeys with the slingshot, but I've seen them threaten them, which keeps monkeys away. They must know what a slingshot is. Got some green parrots up here. Cool. Alright, I'm going back in. Maybe this monkey's settled down.
No, sir. Camera? Camera, yeah?
Yeah. But it's locked, so they can't get it. Yeah. Oh, this one's got somebody's glasses. Glasses. Nice. No, they match here. Oh, it's missing the lenses. I have two hands on my camera. I don't want to lose it. Beautiful architecture here. All right, it seems the violent monkey has left the building or cooled down, so I can kind of explore in peace. We got some more stairs heading up here. Interesting. To the roof. It's like a stone spiral staircase heading up to the roof. A lot of bells. All these columns have bells on them. It's a recurring theme. Nice geometric designs. I don't know if you can hear it on the GoPro audio, but there's a bunch of bats up there. I came here last night, about 9 o'clock at night, and there was buds of bats coming in and out. Oh, speaking of bats, there's some guano just dropped. I'm gonna walk over here. So that's it, everybody, for Govindev Temple. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.